Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through intelligent Wi-Fi that you see in Samsung devices on Android. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, when you go to Wi-Fi in your phone and if you click on three dots, you see this. And the second option is intelligent Wi-Fi. So tap on that, then you're gonna reach this place. So the first option is switch to mobile data. So what it says that sometimes your Wi-Fi signal or Wi-Fi strength could be weaker than your mobile data, especially when you are on 5G. There could be a huge difference. So if your phone detects that your 5G is more stable and strong, it's gonna, I mean 5G is just an example, it could be LTE too. If it is more stable and strong, it's gonna switch to mobile data automatically. Next is switch to better Wi-Fi. So when you are at a place where there are multiple Wi-Fi's that you have access to, it's gonna connect to the better Wi-Fi so that your phone performance always improves. It's up to you. You can turn them or turn off, whatever. Then turn Wi-Fi on or off automatically. So I have disabled it, but what it does is like it automatically turns off based on the places you use. So for this, location is very important. Okay, prioritize real-time data. Yes, if you're on call or uh, video call or gaming or anything that needs continuous streaming or data transfer, those are gonna be prioritized. Okay, and detect suspicious network. This is a security feature, and yes, you should keep it on so that you have some sort of protection. Auto hotspot connection, so this I have put never, but you have like these three options. Choose when to connect to an auto hotspot device if your phone doesn't have an internet connection. This only works if Wi-Fi is on and there's an auto hotspot device near you that you're allowed to use. It could be never, it could be ask before connecting, always. I would recommend either go for never or ask before connecting, and then disconnect not in use. So it can automatically get disconnected too. So I would recommend select one of these, but it's up to you. Intelligent Wi-Fi. So this is just the version number. There's nothing unusual about it. So overall, what do you feel about it? If you like this, if you like these features and want to explore, go ahead and explore. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.